Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nutty Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Sleek Treat. If you're not familiar with this awesome subscription box, this is a monthly, I should say, sugar-free subscription. So the diet in here conforms to like low carb, high fat, keto, all that stuff. If you're on a special diet or just are watching your figure, this is a great subscription. Now this is their holiday limited edition box. I do not think it's available anymore. It was $50. It was a great way, like, if you're curious about the box but are kind of afraid to commit, this was a great, like, one-time purchase, no commitment. You can see what you think. So look for it next year, I guess, and maybe they'll start releasing them periodically throughout the year. What was I going to say, though? It was like a best of box, which I was super excited about. I didn't not think as a reviewer I would get it, but I got one. So I'm super pumped. I'm so excited. So their regular box has 5 to 8. Artisanal, these are not like just you pick it up at the, grocery store. Artisanal sugar-free snacks, and they're $34.99. You can also choose to have them cold shipped, which I think is a really, really cool option. So I'm excited to see what's in here. They did have a picture, and I did see it, but I've now forgotten, so that's great, right? All right. And the reason I know it's the limited, it came right, and I was like, this can't be the monthly. It's usually a thin box, but it was way too thick. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's the limited. So here it is. There was also a little thank you from them on the top, little thank you note. Please enjoy our limited edition snack box. We packed it full of our favorite low carb, guilt-free cookies, chocolates, snack cakes, teas, and more. Happy holidays, and here's a special coupon just for you to take $20 off any purchase over $50 on their website. So there was a coupon in there if you got that box. I do not know if that, does that apply to the subscription? I'm not sure. That would be really cool, though, if they did that. Then if you did get this, as a way to, kind of feel out the box, you could get the subscription at a discounted rate. I think that's really cool. All right. Yay! Oh, my goodness. So first, I'm seeing Smart Sweets. Let me show you the box, though. There it is. That's what it looks like when we pop that. All right. So first we have Smart Sweets, which are, these are like little gummy bears, but they're natural. I think they use monk fruit juice. I think so. I'll have to look. If you're interested, I'm not going to do all this in the unboxing, just for time's sake. If you're interested, look in the full review, because I'll be doing a full review down below. I'll also link to Sleek Treat with my affiliate link. So these are the sour ones. My kids love these. I actually really love these too, even though they're like candies. All right, then we have True Chocolate, dark chocolate covered gluten-free pretzels. I don't think we ever had these in the box, and if we did, I don't remember them. 72% organic cocoa. I love pretzels. I love pretzels. So this, and my daughter, Isabel, loves dark chocolate, loves. I am okay, some of it's really good, some of it's not really for me, but, depending on how bitter it is, I can't get over that, that very dark bitter flavor. Isabel loves that, though. That is her, her palate, just... All right. Then we have Fat Snacks peanut butter cookies. I don't remember this stuff. Oh, my goodness. All right, so this is low carb, sugar-free, and keto. Peanut butter cookie. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, can't wait to try it. All right, then we have, Smart Cakes. These are so good. I do remember these. They have 0 carbs. If you're on a carb-free diet, these guys. This is a cinnamon. They're these big, they almost look like a blondie. Just so perfectly delicious. I love them. They fall apart. They're moist. They're not dry. They're so good. Oh, sing their praises. All right. Then we've got Snowflakes Candy Mints. We had these. They look like little pieces of ice. This is in peppermint, though, which I like. The other one was, I think it was a fruity flavor, which I prefer the mint, because it's more see, the look of the candy and the flavor of the candy matches. Is that weird? Is anybody else like that? Am I the only one? All right, so I'm sorry, my shirt is falling down. Oh, here's more of this stuff. These guys, I love this. This tea, this is from Nunshin. We received a whole bunch of their teas before. They're amazing, and the flavors are phenomenal. Let's see which ones we got. They might be they might be the same ones that we got in the other one. I'm not sure. I don't really remember what I got. They number them, though. This is number 7, the Oolong Finest. Number 124, Peach Robust. 121 Lady Grey, and 144 Green Passion green tea. So there's that. So there's 4 packets in there. Oh, I'm sitting on my foot and it's going numb. That's awkward. All right, I'm not gonna put this back in there right now. All right, we have one of these, what is this, Choc Zero? Yes, Choc Zero milk chocolate. Their chocolate is delicious. Oh my gosh, I just had this feeling. I received a chocolate in one of these Sleep Treat boxes this year. Not to talk about another chocolate, I know we're talking about this one. It was literally the most amazing chocolate I've ever had. I forget the name. It had like a lady on it, like with birds, I want to say. Is that weird that I remember the label, but I don't remember the name? All right, oh, I'm hoping. Maybe, maybe not. You never know. There was a lot of items in these boxes. All right, so this is Eat Me Guilt Free. This is the pumpkin cake. These were pumpkin spice, I should say. These were really good too. I actually shared these with the kids because they really enjoy them. Oh, I see some things I like. Yay! All right, then we have some Everly. These you add to water, and it's like this is strawberry lemonade. You can make like flavored water. I really just like water. Like, I know, like, I try not to drink, like, flavored juices or anything like that. Just, it's an extra thing I don't need in my life. But if you're into these, my kids love it. It's a way to do that without sugar. So I'm all about that life. Ooh, more of these. The kids love these. This is a chocolate dipping cup. So basically, you just put this in the microwave, and you can dip anything in here you want. This is also from Choc Zero. All right, here's some True Chocolate. Is it True Chocolate? No, I don't think so. I mean, they're good. I'm not going to say they're not good. But this chocolate was just something special. It was special. Like, it's so stupid to say. It's true, though. There's 3 of these. These are great, like, to keep in your desk or in your purse or in your car. Not in the summer, though. But just, like, when you need something, like, you just need to, like, nibble on something. It's a great option. And they're, like, they're so good for you. Like, they're made with just really nice quality ingredients, you know? And here's another one. This is from Choc Zero as well. This is their dark chocolate. So I like that we're getting the variety with them. Where did the other one? So we get a milk and we get a dark. All right. Then we've got Cafe de Vida. These were so yummy. It's in here. It's in there. Sorry. All right. So excited by a piece of chocolate. You know you're getting old when you're excited about chocolate. All right, so this is the French vanilla sugar-free cappuccino. And then there's the mocha cappuccino. You can serve these hot, you can serve these cold. They're just simple things. If you are trying to, like, you know, eat better or you're on a diet, these are great for, like, work. You take this to work with you. You don't have to worry about, like, feeling like, you know, when everybody in your office or everybody at school, I don't know, at school, you know what I mean, though. But when everybody around you is doing something and you can, it's like, you feel almost like it's depressing. It can be very... But girl, they got you. Look at this. All right. So I'm just going to wait and see that thing All right. So then there's milk chocolate pecan clusters from Choco-Rite. These are so amazing. Literally amazing. I love these. You would never know that there's no sugar. They're delicious. All right. Then we have a Boo Fit. These are actually made with like a pea protein or something. They're vegan, egg-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. Plant protein. I think but they use peas. Oh, my face is itchy. I'm sorry. I'm tapping it because I don't want to scratch. All right. But these are really, that's like, they're great for you if you're like, if you're working out or whatever. They're just raw plant-based protein. Very good for you. All right. Then we have an Atlas bar. This is vanilla almond. I don't remember. Did we get one of these before? It's called Conquer. I don't remember this. I'm excited to try it now. Probably already have, and I just don't remember. I've tried so many things. This is gluten-free. It has 18 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and it's GMO-free. All right, we're getting down here, guys. Getting down here. All right, so second to last are these 2 packets. I'm going to save that thing for last. Of Tisano tea. So Tisano is made with like cacao shells, I think. This is, yeah, loose leaf blends chocolate tea. This is chai cacao. And you can see on the back, you can actually see it. And then there is original cacao. I actually had one of these before. I really liked it. I thought it was different. It's not what you'd expect. It's very like flavorful though, and it's also super aromatic, so it's very good. All right. Here it is. Here it is. I don't think this is the same, the good chocolate. That's it. Look, see her wings? That's what made me think of a bird. I'm like, there was birds or something. I don't know. Silly. I don't know. But anyway, this is delicious. This is not the one I had, I don't think. But there's something about this chocolate. It is soft and creamy. And I don't know what they use. But this is salted almond, which means I'll probably even love it more. I cannot wait to eat that. So that is everything that came in the limited edition Sleep Treat holiday box. This is a doozy, girls. I can't wait to eat it all. And I don't have to feel guilty about it. How awesome is that? So if you're interested in checking out the full review, I'll link to that below. If you're interested in checking out Sleep Treat, I'll also link to that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.